Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a category in YNAB. All right. So first up, log into your account or open up the phone app. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard under plan, okay, we have here, for example, under bills, these are categories. Okay. And bills right here, needs, wants, and others is a category group. Okay. Now, if you want to delete a category, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a category under others. Okay. Sample. I'm going to click on OK. And here we have the category. So I'm just going to right click on it and tap on delete. Now, if you're using the mobile app, just tap and hold onto it and just tap on delete. Now, if you want to delete a category group, same goes here, right click and just hit on delete. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. That's how simple it is to delete a category in YNAB. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.